All right, good morning, good morning. So let's jump into pretty much the pre-market prep for the day. I'm only going to be paying attention to two stocks. The reason behind this is that I'm running a bit late. I took two sessions. I just got home from training. I took jiu-jitsu and Muay Thai. So on Wednesdays I usually get here late, and I took some heavy traffic. So I did a pre-market prep on those two before leaving to training, and I'm just gonna stick with those two. I was gonna look for a third one, but I don't really have time, so I'm just gonna focus on those two. So starting off with pretty much the bigger picture, as you can see, SPY. I mean, period consolidation. If we could break higher, I feel like we could see some nice continuation. SPY is acting a bit more bearish or weaker, not bearish, weaker than QQQ. So with SPY, I want to see us break pretty much those pivot highs for potential continuation. We have a couple of days of consolidation. Another couple of days of consolidation wouldn't look bad, but again, it's getting ready for another move higher if that's the case. But let's see what the market presents. QQ holding really strong, holding between 2 days ago high day and yesterday high day. So it's looking really good for a nice continuation. Tesla, the reason I'm looking at Tesla is because we actually broke out. As I mentioned yesterday, I was actually interested to the downside. We actually ended up working to the long side. So just looking for day two continuation. I want to see buyers are present. We have high volume, and I feel like there's going to be a lot of eyes on Tesla. So I feel like it could give us some nice setup today. And MU, the reason I like MU is that yesterday around 8:10 we had some negative news that pretty much we got lower, and buyers really defended really well, and it's currently holding around yesterday high day, close to yesterday high day. So it's very simple, but a break and holdable yesterday high day for nice potential retest of pretty much all-time highs. Looking at the smaller time frame, so if we look at Tesla, so with Tesla, it's a very simple game plan. What I like, let me just fix this. With Tesla, I just want to let price action tell me a story, but obviously I would like to see us above pre-market high and pretty much 185. And ideally, best case scenario, yes, I had a day for nice continuation. But if I see buyers really showing up, I would like to take it beforehand. But also just paying attention because we have high elevated volume. Because of the push yesterday, I do like it more to the long side. But if I see bearish really taking control, I'm open minded for both direction. Just that I feel like it looks better for a move higher, but the only thing is that we're not really pushing in pre-market session. So, and also we could just see a choppy day. We could just see a balanced day today. So let's see what the market presents, but we do have elevated volume in pre-market session. And looking at MU is pretty much above yesterday high day. Very simple, above a break and hold above yesterday high day for nice continuation, potential move to pretty much those levels, pretty much a test of all-time highs. It's that simple. MU not really loving it that much because of the volume, but I noticed that with MU in particular, when we have low volume, for some reason, it's up kind of where it tends to work out. So this one is just letting price action tell me the story and letting pretty much volume kick in once pretty much market opens. And Tesla is just letting price action tell me the story. So same thing. So that's about it. That's gonna be the pre-market prep, short and sweet. I don't want to rush it today. I will be taking smaller size because I feel like I don't feel too prepared. I'll be taking smaller size, and I'm pretty much, I just want to show up, be present. But if I don't see any setup in either or, I'm just gonna take a back seat. Pretty much I want to not burn mental capital. I want to be ready for tomorrow because so tonight we have earnings on NVIDIA. So I feel like tomorrow and Friday we could see some good opportunities. So I want to make sure that I'm ready for those 2 days. I don't want to, last thing I want to do is break my rules today and get out of control. So I want to take a back seat, wait for clean setup, and take smaller size. Again, this is just to be present and kind of like, again, my job as a trader is to show up every single day. But ideally, I'm more excited for tomorrow and Friday after NVIDIA's earnings to see what's pretty much it does. So that being said,